Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about Sonic token. Previously it was the FTM token with my customer set. Let's dive in. All right guys, tokens sometimes made rebranding, and basically the Sonic made rebranding, the EOS, and nothing happened. So it's not help at all the projects. Even take a look when they migrate the tokens 1-to-1 ratio. So nothing changes basically. Of course, they change some technology, maybe some blockchain tech side of that project, but it's not affect at all the price. Absolutely. Even even after rebranding, all of these two tokens, for example, going down, even worse. That's why now this is a fresh new charts of S. Looks like, wow, it's a fresh chart. We have to go to the moon, and there is a new all-time high over than $1. But guys, God bless, we still on some tokens have on TradingView the crypto. So when you type FTM USD, you can find this one, spot crypto. So it's the chart full history of the token before rebranding and after the rebranding, but with the old ticker, right? So I highly recommend you all the time, just zoom out and take a look. So this one, where that one, not $1, this is not an all-time high. This is not all-time high, guys. That's why this chart is just a pure distraction. So they just remove the history, and now it looks more attractive. Like, oh, take a look, this is an all-time low, like 25 cents. So we can't drop lower. Of course we can. Of course we can, because the all-time low for FTM being here, let's say 0.203, and even at the COVID dump 0.2017. Imagine. So that token now, take a look, the one more distraction. Even the CoinMarket crypto rank showing us here the token, yes, basically for S token is everything correct, like 18% from all-time low, but it's not true, right? So it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. So here, this was a seed round, 1 cent, 16, 3 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. So you have to understand, if that guys who get a token on ICO round, on private rounds, still hold it, right? Because they just can migrate the token 1-to-1 ratio, so they lose nothing, right? So they still in profit like over than 800% gains, or even 1,700% gains. It doesn't mean they have to dump the price. No, basically not. But it's kind of weird, why do they? Why they do this rebranding if it's not help the project at all? Absolutely not. So the December 18 rebranding, Sonic is alive. December 18, Son 24. Come on, it's a joke. Just mind-blowing, guys. Take a look. This is a candle of the launching of the Sonic, exactly at the high. So this is how the buy the rumor, sell the facts. This is how they manipulate the emotion, not another price. Here, 400% pump because we rebranded, blah blah blah, all of this fancy stuff. That side we go to the moon because we rebranded, and after that this token landed down 85% after rebranding, exactly on the launch day. Just a weird, absolutely weird. Of course, it's only the human problem. So they buying the token. So no makes sense. Just for the future, just for your experience, no makes sense to buy the token if the token tradable before a listing on a Binance one take, like Metis. You can open the chart and open the listing of the Metis on a Binance. Second one, no makes sense to buy the token before rebranding, even if it's EOS or FTM or any other tokens in the future. So just in case, so you'll know what will happen next. What I don't like on FTM, I don't like this crazy liquidity pools on there. This weird. So this liquidity pool, 20 cents. This liquidity pool here, this one is June 25. All right, 20 cents. Let's mark the the prices, so you will understand. It doesn't mean, you know, we have to drop and sweep all of that liquidity pools, but you know, if we hunt liquidity, it's so attractive for the market makers to grab all of that liquidity, like 20 cents, 17 cents, 16 cents, and even this one since June 21. Take a look. Imagine how many stop losses on there. Imagine you know, liquidity at that levels. So the problem is, you know, we can see something like this and go higher. Under also, I don't think so we're gonna drop that low. It's 8 cents 97. It's a monthly gap, and 2 cents 52. I don't think so we're gonna drop now, but most likely we will come back to this block later in the bear market. So that's it. When you see some horizontal line like this one, so we build the liquidity over the years. Sometimes it's for market makers, it's sort of like a red flag for the bulls. You know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Let's track at least this one, first one. Let's delete this 3. Hey, come on. All right. So let's say we just will hunt the 20 cents. It's not necessary, so we will, but guys, looks so attractive, right? Anyway, also we will see the bounce. The bounce should be, you know, the 50% of this drop, because this is an order flow. And take a look, it can be the 3 rise pattern, 1, 2, and the third one can be, I don't know, if we talk about a monthly time frame, there is no gaps. That's why the third top can be, I don't know, around $2, let's say. So if we use the downtrend move, this one, so let's say this is a local bottom for this current moment, right? So $2.26 is going to be the can be the top of the top for this token. Yes, maybe the Sonic will not hit the new all-time high, because even now with this circulation supply, it's around 1 billion price. So this one 954 million, because the supply 3.2 billion, and the good moment is all tokens unlock it, right? But imagine the $2, it's 6.5, almost 6.5 billion market capitalization for Sonic. And the highest point of the market cap, of course, it's not showing us here. All right, 3 billion here, $1. It's not true. It's not true. So we need to dive in more to find the all-time high by market capitalization for FTM. All right. So anyway, a 6.5 billion market capitalization, right, will be at $2. So if you believe in new all-time high, like let's say $4, 12 billion market cap or even more, I don't think so. It's possible, yes, of course, it's possible. But it's weird. It's weird, guys. So local one, attractive zone. What I wish to see is a sweep of this low, bounce to 83, correction, and go higher to the $2. So now this is an order flow, and 83 cents at least. It's like a local correction, a local bounce of this correction. That's why, guys, weird chart, absolutely weird chart, and not enough liquidity to pump all of these tokens so high. Liquidity pool, I waited here. I don't think so we will drop now to 11 cents to the monthly gap. I think we will see something like this one in the next bear market and going down. So around here, we'll see the new bear market zone. And many tokens form something like this one, you know, top, rejection, going down, and something like this one. You can open the IOTA, Bitcoin Cash. People need to reduce their expectation for all of these tokens now. Let's double check with my customer Krasab what's going on now with the Sonic. It doesn't mean I'm bearish for this token. No, I'm bullish, you know, for Sonic FTM, but too weird now the market. It doesn't mean I'm bearish on the Sonic, no, but I'm more conservative. And guys, yeah, this cycle better reduce the expectation and weight the main targets, conservative one, than stuck in tokens once again. Imagine how many people stuck in FTM at $2 or $3. So this was a time to out of the stock, and this is accumulation again. That's why I wish to see some this movement, this one. So I think this is a copy paste of model and this belief. So if you ask, is it okay to buy now as token? Technically yes, because if you want to buy accumulate this token at 29, for example, 30 cents, next step you can buy at 17, and if the token drop to, for example, 7 cents or 5, your average entry will be like 13 or 15. From that average zone with 3 orders, 3 limit orders or market orders, you can go higher to $2, for example. So now it's this belief depression on market mood indicator, accumulation by direction indicator. So technically this is not a sell signals, but not enough positive to pump the token. Here's accumulation pump, now nothing on a daily. So guys, better wait when the whales will start accumulate again. You can add alerts. So now 20 cents is like a magnet for the FTM. Market mood in disbelief, but guys, need to wait the confirmation. And yes, I wish to see the drops with the liquidity, you know, and last 2 weeks of August, I think will be bullish one. Money power, guys, indicator here, weekly. Money inflow, 1-2 weeks money inflow at 32 cents, we pump it to 98. Now the same story. Here's a money inflow, 1-2 weeks money inflow from average like 25 cents pump to 45. Now nothing. So need to see one more money inflow on weekly. Daily, take a look, we lay down at the bottom, but no new money inflow. The last money inflow being here. So nothing, guys. Nothing. Just better wait. Just wait. Sometimes we just don't need to click too much. Here was a buy signal on the daily, recommendation close position before the dump. Let's add alert for take profit from the sell. This one, sell, buy back. So it's small bounces. I need to see some. Take profit. This was the take profit from the sell, from buy, and after that the distribution. And I need to see the same story with the sell signal to take profit. And after that, we'll see the reversal move, guys. Take profit indicator, it's a weekly time frame. What is good? We trade under or around the fundamental volume. Here, fundamental volume now. We try hold the line, this one. It's the last bullish, only one, basically the bullish reason why we hold the line now at 29. So if we will not drop to this block now and hold the line at the fundamental value, the next step will be here. Take profit like 77 cents. So when you look at on the charts, BTC and what's going on now with the market and seasonality, it looks like we will go lower. Here, the buy line on the daily 26.12 for the amount value, dump it under the liquidity. This liquidity, what we'll leave it in June, like 1953. 12 time frame. Buy line 22.10 for the amount value 1650. Absolutely weird. Take a look how the price respect the level on 12 time frame at take profit line. So guys, like conclusion, the crazy dump, it's a monthly gap. At this current moment, even I won't believe in this drop to 11 or 9 cents. But sometimes even the worst nightmare can be real. The positive case, I wish to sweep the liquidity 20 cents, for example, and make reversal move to form the 3 drives pattern to the top. Maybe we already passed the 3 drives pattern because it's 1, 2, 3. Who knows? If we count like this one, I don't think so. We're gonna pump to new all-time high. That's why yes, it can be logical. Like here, if it's let's say November 25, it can be here $2.10. Possible. If we talk about, I don't know, if we cut the noise, this line like line chart. It's kind of weird to take a look. The monthly, this one lower. Oh no, higher. Everything okay. So if we count on the weekly time frame, so Anyway, if it's here, if it's in November, $1.81, $2. If it's April, $2. So guys, I don't think so we go over than $2 this cycle, unfortunately. So guys, write us in a comment what do you think about us. If you'd like to trade with my customer, I would have showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.